Hi, I'm Ruth Crilly from A Model Recommends, and I want to talk you through my two brand new, completely amazing beauty boxes that I've created with Feelunique. These are the best of beauty boxes, and this one is the Indulgence box, and this one is the Rescue box. Now, these boxes were born from an idea that I had when I was a new mum, that it would be amazing to be able to get a sort of a bundle of rescue beauty products, like SOS beauty products, that would be great for hormonal, temperamental skin, and basically for new mums who didn't have any time to take care of their beauty regime and just needed really powerful, fast-acting products. Now, the Indulgence box followed slightly later in my ideas because I thought, wouldn't it be nice for a similar kind of package that was just decadent, luxurious treats for a bit of sort of a pampering moment. And so this is the Indulgence box. Now, both boxes are incredible value for money. The Indulgence box is worth £105, costs £45. The Rescue box is worth £70 and costs £30. And I'm going to take you through all of the brilliant products that are inside. So first of all, the Rescue box. Now, there's everything in here for a really simple but effective skincare routine. Starting off with the cleanser, which is so important. There's a very gentle cleanser from Balance Me. This is the Restore and Replenish Cream Cleanser. And you get a great big full-size tube. It's really gorgeous just for soothing irritated, stressed out skin. So massage it in. It's great at taking off eye makeup as well as just the grime and dirt from during the day. And then you can either rinse it off or use a flannel or a hot cloth to take that off. So it just leaves the skin beautifully prepped for whatever you do next. Now, my next step would be some kind of acid peel or acid toner, and the Nip and Fab exfoliating pads are just brilliant. Now, these use glycolic acid to exfoliate the skin, leave it looking really bright and clear and fresh. It's sort of like a one-step quickest facial in the world, really. I've just got a little pad like this, just wipe it over the skin, and you can either leave as is or you can follow with serum and moisturiser. Now, this is the sensitive version, so it's been formulated for skin that's slightly less tolerant of things like exfoliating acids and peels. So this is perfect for postpartum skin, but you know, suitable for anybody. They're really, really good. And then a brilliant repairing recovery moisturiser that also covers your anti-wrinkle side as well. This is the Revitalift Centella Repair, and that's from L'Oreal. Great all year round. It's not got a greasy finish or anything like that, but it's just a really lovely, rich repairing cream. And then I have the lips covered as well. I think this is one of the best lip balms in the world. It's really sort of heavy duty, forms a great barrier on the skin. This is Lana Lips and it's the 101 ointment, and the one that we've included here is the strawberry version. And then we're still going with the same box. All of those products were full size. We have a 30ml version of the Colorway 1 Minute Transformation Styling Cream. This is for your hair. You can either use it on damp hair before you style, or you can use it on dry ends of your hair, just to give them a little bit of definition and tame any sort of stray flyaways and things like that if you've got your hair already styled. So it's a really good multi-purpose hair cream. I just think it's one of the best sort of rescue quick fixes for your hair that you can get. And then finally, in the Rescue box, we have the Wipeouts Microfiber Cleansing Cloth from Magna. Now, I was really sceptical about this cloth because it says that you can just remove all of your makeup with warm water. You don't need any cleanser. This actually does take everything off. I couldn't believe how well it worked. So that is in that box as well. It's £70 worth of products and just £30 for the box. And then we move on to the Indulgence box. Now, this has got some beautiful luxury beauty products in here. We start off with the Neome Tranquility Scented Candle. Neome make really top quality oil blends, and they really do work. And this just creates a lovely ambience wherever you are. So whether it's in the bathroom or it could be in your office or your bedroom, it's sort of like a little portable spa moment, I suppose. I've tried to include all the things you need just to create a really lovely sort of night in, if you like. Oh, this is the thing you need to put on before you start all of this. I've done it in the wrong order. This is the Aquis Hair Turban. I don't know whether you've seen Aquis towels. They're absolutely brilliant. They really sort of pull all the water out of your hair once you've washed it. and cut your drying time by loads and loads and loads. This is the Turban, so you twist your hair into it, and it's got a little clever fastener at the back so it keeps your hair in place. So if you're doing one of those sort of indulgent evenings, and either you want to put a hair mask on and seal that in, or you've washed your hair and you just want it out of the way, so pop that on first, whatever you're doing with your hair. And it's just a great way of keeping it off your face so you can start your little skincare routine, which I'm going to go into now. So first of all, we have the Dolphin Rose Aromatic Care. So this is a good sort of anytime rescue, really. You can mix a little bit with your foundation, you can pop it on before or after you use your moisturiser, depending on what you prefer, or you can really spend some time sort of massaging it in to get your skin looking really plump and dewy. And then we have a full size of the Nooks SOS Rescue Mask, which is a really intensely hydrating and soothing mask that you can use in a variety of different ways. So it's not just for your sort of indulgent, decadent evening or morning, whatever it is that you're doing. You can also use it overnight, so a thin layer as a night mask and leave it on, or you can use a very thick layer and do a more intensive sort of 10-minute rescue to your skin. If it's feeling dry or flaky or just a bit tight and weather beaten, this is the perfect remedy. So a great one, again, bit of a multitasker, and it can be used in lots of different ways, so not just for that sort of pamper evening. And then finally in this box we have the Aromatherapy Associates Essential Bath and Shower Oils, possibly one of my most mentioned bath and body products ever. I talk about these all the time because they're just so clever, they're so beautifully blended. They're oils that you can either put into the bath, so you just do a little capful, or if you don't have a bath and you're using a shower, what I tend to do is take a capful and sort of pat it on over the top half of my body, and then the steam sort of mingles with it and just creates this gorgeous scent. This has 3 little oils in here. You've got Deep Relax, De-Stress Mind and Revive Morning, and they really do what they say on the tin. So that is the Indulgence box, worth a whopping £105. Whether you're looking for something for yourself, some kind of little treat, and they're great value for money, so why not? Or you're looking for a present for somebody, maybe they've just had a baby, maybe it's for Mother's Day, maybe there's some birthdays coming up. These are brilliant, if I may say so myself. So that's what's inside. You can get the links to buy below. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.